In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Airtable base. Airtable is a powerful tool for creating and managing databases with a simple, user-friendly interface. Whether you're organizing a project, tracking sales, or building an app, Airtable makes it easy to collaborate and stay organized. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to create your very own base in Airtable. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the Airtable homepage. If you don't already have an account, be sure to sign up and log in. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options to explore. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout to make the most out of Airtable's features. Now, ready to create something new? You'll want to look for the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, inviting you to start building your workspace. Click on this button, and you'll be presented with a couple of choices. This is a great moment to pause and think about what you want to achieve with your new Airtable base. Airtable provides two main options here. You can either build an app with the assistance of AI or start from scratch. For beginners, starting from scratch can be a fantastic way to learn the ropes and customize your base according to your unique needs. So, for this example, we'll select Start from Scratch. After selecting this option, Airtable will generate a brand new base for you. It's essentially a blank canvas awaiting your input. This is your opportunity to dive in and start organizing your information. The interface is designed to be intuitive, but I recommend taking a few minutes to explore and get acquainted with the various tools available. You might find the grid view, similar to a spreadsheet, particularly useful for entering data and structuring your base. Customization is key in Airtable, so don't hesitate to experiment with the different views, fields, and formats. You can rename tables, add or delete columns, and even link tables together to create relationships. This flexibility is what makes Airtable so powerful and versatile. To add more functionality, consider integrating some of the blocks and tools that Airtable offers. You can track deadlines, automate workflows, and even generate reports. Exploring these features will help you tailor your base to precisely match your workflow needs. As you familiarize yourself with the platform, don't worry about making mistakes. Airtable allows for easy modifications and adjustments, ensuring that your base evolves seamlessly along with your projects. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your very own Airtable base up and running, ready to manage whatever data you throw at it. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing with Airtable.